Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Escape headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your replacement headlight bulb. Next, open the hood of your Ford Escape and locate the headlight assembly. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight bulb by pressing the release tab. Now, let's remove the old bulb. Use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts securing the headlight assembly. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward to gain better access to the bulb. Then, carefully twist the old bulb approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the socket. Installing the new bulb is straightforward. Remember to handle the new bulb only by its plastic base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, then turn it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it feels secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. To complete the process, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original mounting position. Make sure it aligns correctly with the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions properly. Check both low and high beams before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.